100 subscribers special will be coming out soon, so make sure you subscribe. Let me know how you like my new editing style. I really like this app that I'm using, so let me know if you like it too. Here are the shoutouts. Make sure you follow the body of text to make sure you get a shout in my next video. Hey guys! In today's video, we have two slimes, clear and white glue. We will be testing polymer clay in the slimes. Is it good or bad in slime? Make sure you read this text to see what I got. Press was awesome for the amount you get of clay. I'm going to be testing in the slime. Now let's get on with the video. I just want to say thank you for 90 subscribers. If you haven't subscribed, make sure you do so already. Like and share the video. We are starting off with the clear slime using the purple clay. It looks blue on camera, but it actually is purple. The colors I bought are only purples, blues, and pink. The bags weren't too hard to open, but you could still open them. It has this residue look to it with tons of sizzly bubbles. The residue didn't stay in the slime. I decided to make a little heart and glitter to make it more pretty. Bye, heart. I hope you enjoyed the mixing a little bit. There's no sounds because it was pretty loud when I was filming, so hopefully you guys do not mind. But there is going to be an ASMR portion at the end of the video. And I decided to add even more of these star glitters to the slime to make it even more pretty. And so the thing with basically of this slime was Galaxy. If you guys didn't see by my logo already, I really like Galaxy, and the slime just perfectly represented it. The residue looking clay didn't add any residue to the clear slime, just like glossiness. Rip Pretty Clay Heart 2020 through 2020. Now we are adding the blue kit to the white glue base. I'm hoping the glossy slay effect will also happen to the white glue base. This clay took a little longer to get out. I couldn't resist hearing the sizzles though. Now I'm going to add to the just made white glue base. There was a little overactivated, which you can see the clay didn't fix. To make it pretty, I attempted to make it a flower, but I failed and decided to make little tiny balls instead. Hope you enjoyed this little time lapse of me trying but failing to make the little flower. I was finished making all of the little blue balls. I added some glitter from Keep It Kaylin, so thank you so much for that. These were gold, and I added that in the balls to the white glue base. It looks so pretty. It reminds me so much of like little blueberries or something. And then I added a little bit of dark brown glitters as well. I mixed it all together. It was so satisfying to watch, so I hope you guys enjoy this. As you guys can see, it was a little bit overactivated, and it started ripping a little bit, and it was kind of annoying. But yeah, that was the clay didn't fix anything. While there's a con, there's always pros. It was a really pretty color with the glitters that added an extra touch, and it was so thick. I'm in love with this slay texture that was thick yet holdable and still slay-like, and it's super soft. Here's the finished product of both of the slimes. They both were super glossy. I decided to make a mini slime smoothie with both of them. What color do you think this will turn out to be? Will inflate? Let me know in the comments if they're not disabled. Now on to the mixing. I took a thumbnail picture and then I mixed it more even all together. It turned out so pretty, guys. Again, what color do you think it'll turn out to be? If you said that you thought it would turn out to be purple, you are right. Again, it looks more blue on camera, but it actually is purple in real life, so I hope you guys just know that I'm not lying to you. If you said that you would also think you would, but you were also right, of course. Slimes did not turn as sizzly as I hoped, but they did turn very glossy. It still were some sizzles, but not as sizzly as I wanted it to be. Overall, this clay works on slime. I'd highly recommend getting it. The price is cheap and highly worth it. Again, I got this at Target in the Dollar Tree section. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell. Bye, slimy people.